Nobody told you this, and honestly, most people don't want you to know. Being highly intelligent isn't just a good thing. According to a study published in the journal Intelligence, people with a high IQ are significantly more likely to suffer. Not sometimes, not slightly, significantly. And it changes everything you've been told about smart people. 1. Your brain never fully turns off. The research found that smart people have a brain that is almost always switched on. It doesn't rest the way most people's brains do. You replay old conversations in your head. You think about things that haven't even happened yet. You try to solve problems at midnight when everyone else is asleep. Most people call this overthinking. Science calls it a brain that was built to process more and pays the price for it. 2. Your anxiety isn't a weakness, it's how your brain is built. The study found that highly intelligent people are almost 6 times more likely to feel constant worry and anxiety than the average person. 6 times. Why? Because a smart brain is always looking ahead. It spots problems before they happen. It connects dots others don't even see. That sounds useful, and sometimes it is, but it also means your brain is always on alert, always scanning for what could go wrong. It's just a little too much for your brain. 3. Depression hits harder when you see everything clearly. The study found that intelligent individuals are almost 3 times more likely to be diagnosed with mood disorders, including depression. Think about it this way. If you see more clearly than most people, you also see more of the bad stuff. You notice when things are unfair. You feel it when people let you down. You can't just ignore the hard parts of life the way some people seem to. Seeing the world clearly is a gift, but sometimes it's also really heavy. 4. Your body is paying for what your brain does. This one surprised me the most. The same study found that smart people are 3 times more likely to have bad allergies, twice as likely to have asthma, and almost twice as likely to get sick from their own immune system attacking them. Why? When your brain is always running hot, always thinking, always alert, your body picks up on that stress. Over time, your body starts to react like it's in danger even when nothing is wrong. The pressure in your head doesn't stay in your head, it moves into your whole body. 5. You've been misread your entire life. The study also found that smart people often get labeled wrong. Too much energy gets called ADHD. Big feelings get called overreacting. Needing alone time gets called antisocial. So smart people learn to hide. They make themselves smaller. They act normal so people around them don't feel uncomfortable. And they get so good at it that nobody ever knows what it really costs them to do that every single day. What's my take on this? Well, everyone tells smart people how lucky they are. And look, yes, it's a good thing. But nobody talks about the other side of it. I think the real problem isn't being smart, it's that the world isn't really built for the way a smart brain works. Smart people feel more, think more, notice more, and then get told to calm down, fit in, stop overthinking. If you've ever felt like your own brain was your best friend and your worst enemy at the same time, science isn't saying something is wrong with you. It's saying you were never the problem. The world just never made room for how you actually work. You are not broken. You are not too much. You are just someone whose brain works harder than most, and nobody gave you a manual for that. Which one of these felt like someone was describing you? Tell me in the comments. I want to know.